Let's go over to our man, Mr. Darrell Martin from Apex Investing, and you can check out Darrell every trading day, folks, at apexinvesting.com. Darrell Martin, what's going on, brother?
Man, how you doing?
Good, man. Yourself?
Darrell, good morning.
Hey, doing fantastic. Yeah, how about these oil prices and everything going on right now?
Yeah, and you know, there's no doubt if we go take a look at that oil market, you know, you talk about some movement, folks. This baby, well, look at natural gas. Natural gas is up 4%, which
Seriously.
that's pretty intense. We get oil right now, you know, from highs to lows out here. It's pretty intense. I mean, you know, we were trading out there at $76 October 3rd. And, you know, guess what? I mean, this thing hasn't held today. You know, we're 50,
yeah.
we're at the 54, 55. If this is the dead cat bounce on oil, $45 is coming at us, man.
No, already $1 off the highs, right? Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta love it, man. And of course, Darrell, the in the currency markets, you know, the whole Brexit deal. I mean, there's so much movement over there, man. It's like, okay, are they just gonna can this thing for a year, 2 years? You know, I mean, right now we're at 120 days away from supposedly them going. Right.
Yeah, and I mean, it's pretty wild because I said if everything's not exactly how they're comfortable with, all those companies are moving out.
I know. I gotta find out what this Irish backstop is. That's what they're claiming, that the one of the, you know, the points in that they feel like they're getting trapped. That's what, you know. That's whatever that is. I think that's we definitely want to find out how this works.
And that has to do with citizenship and crossing borders in between Ireland, I believe.
Yeah, but specifically Northern Ireland,
right.
Ireland, the UK, because they're still left over.
There sure are. That's why it's a touchy subject.
Exactly. So, and of course, if we take a look at, I mean, the euro. You know, both of these. You know, we were just talking to Kevin Hinks. It's like, you know. It's going to be interesting, man. I think we're going to wake up in the morning, man, and both of these currencies are going to be a lot stronger versus the U.S. dollar, because it just seems that the closer that we keep getting, and you know, you had Mervyn King come out. He was the head of their bank. Bottom line is that he came out and, you know, said what May is almost like treasonous.
Okay.
You know, last night. So
some fired up rhetoric.
Yeah. Oh, big time, man. Big time. So what else are we looking at out here, Darrell?
You know, obviously checking out the indices, so they're getting a little quieter, going to be closed out tomorrow.
Yes.
You know, on CME and New York Stock Exchange, and even Nadex indices won't be open. Nadex will be open for Forex and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So it'll be mainly, you know, Forex markets tomorrow. I expect them to be a little bit quieter, you know, with everything else being shut down here in the U.S.
Sure.
So,
and
you know, what are your thoughts on that? With everything being closed down tomorrow?
I think the biggest movement, like, to me, that they got a good bounce going, but yet, you know, nothing happened. So it's like they're all dreaming, man. I mean, they're selling this market. I think that the action in the next month, I say, is going to be in the currencies, you know, because, you know, it's going to be, all they have to do is do a little whimper that we're pushing it off.
Sure.
You know, and when I really start thinking about it, think about how many times our politicians push everything off. It's like, you know.
I don't know about the legality of that. It'd be interesting to get a guest or something.
Well, they had last night. So this is what's going on. Last night, this is they got a legal opinion.
Okay.
That they could, that May could withdraw the Article 5.
Okay.
And bring it back in again. So that they got the opinion last night from, you know, someone at that court. You know, so, you know.
We'll see what
they are the lawmakers, right?
Well, exactly. But in political cover, what ends up happening there is that, you know, I could pitch them, say, okay, I'm going to withdraw it now, and I'll put it back later. Yeah. You know what I mean? Yeah. And we're still going to do what the voters want, okay? But that's what we're going to do right now, because nothing is, you know.
It's a possibility for sure.
You know,
right.
With 120 days, man, it's blowing my mind.
It is.
Really
they like to cut it close.
Yeah, there's no doubt.
Yeah.
There's no doubt.
It's just how we do it. I mean, we're on the verge of a government shutdown, right?
Oh, that's my point.
So
no, I'm not.
Same deal.
That's my point. You know, you can take any politician.
Right. 4 days to government shutdown.
Right.
So we have 120 days to Brexit.
Well, well, they extended it now to the 21st.
Okay.
So now it's even gonna be better, because our government shutdown, folks, is going to the 21st, and of course all the lawmakers got to be home by Christmas. So that's going to be pretty wild watching that thing shake out. They could have done it for a week, but they did it for 2.
Okay.
And that's part of the negotiations, I guess, no doubt, man. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Big time out here.
So governments move the markets. You know, they help bring in the volatility, if nothing else.
Hey, listen, man. The cool thing is, you know, we get a two-way market here now. You know, I mean, this is like, you know, just give it a day. It's like the weather in Boston, man.
That's
you know?
right.
One day it's up, one day it's down. Well, listen, man, you have a great week, a safe week. We all get a day off tomorrow, which is pretty cool.
It is.
President Bush.
Yeah.
You know.
Think about him at some point tomorrow.
Yeah,
Great
totally.
man, obviously. Totally.
Darrell, you have a great one and safe one, man. Thanks so much.
Yeah, you too. Thank you.
Appreciate it.